Steady. Cook.
Hi guys, Chris Pettitt here at Assembly Bar in Sydney CBD. Just going to make for you today my entry for the Angostura Cocktail Challenge, and it's entitled Breakfast from TNT. So first what we're going to do is just take a bar spoon of Rose's Breakfast Marmalade, straight in there. About a bar spoon of, touch under a bar spoon of citric acid. $15 mils of modern vanilla syrup. $50 mils of the lovely Angostura 7-year-old rum. $10 mils of Lillet Blanc. And lastly, 5 dashes of Angostura aromatic bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all we're going to do is give that a nice, furious shake. Fine, strain that into a chilled martini glass. And garnish with a lovely fresh lemon twist. Orange twist, rather. Smooth. And there you have it. Breakfast from TNT.
There you go.